Ever wondered if you, as a real estate agent, could pull double duty and originate loans too? Let's break down the legal landscape of being a realtor loan originator in just a minute and a half, because navigating this requires understanding the regulations and requirements involved. First, the big one: licensing to originate loans. You'll almost certainly need a mortgage loan originator, or MLO, license. This is governed by the Secure and Fair Enforcement for Mortgage Licensing Act, or SAFE Act, and requirements vary state by state, so check your local regulations. Typically, this involves completing pre-licensing education, passing a national and state exam, and undergoing a background check. Next up, compliance. Even with a license, you're not in the clear. Ongoing education is usually required to keep your license active, and you need to adhere to federal and state laws like the Truth in Lending Act, or TILA, and the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act, or RESPA. These laws are in place to protect consumers and ensure fair lending practices. Now, the tricky part: conflicts of interest. Representing a buyer as their realtor while also originating their loan can create a conflict. It's crucial to be transparent with your clients about your dual role and ensure they understand they have the option to work with a different lender. Full disclosure is key, and document everything. It protects you and your client. Remember, acting as both realtor and loan originator demands the highest ethical standards. Prioritize your client's best interests above all else. So, can you originate loans as a realtor? Yes, but it requires careful navigation of licensing, compliance, and ethical considerations. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate insights, and let us know in the comments what other real estate topics you want us to cover.